Hello! In this video, we're going to do a quick walkthrough of the SEMrush Keyword Magic Tool. First, open the SEMrush homepage and then click on the Keyword Magic Tool. It might take a moment to load. Once you see the search bar, go ahead and enter any keyword you want to search for, and then click on the search option. You'll see the content related to the keyword you searched for open up. Scroll down a bit and you'll notice the option for volume. Click on it. Here, you can adjust the keyword volume that you're interested in exploring. You'll also see the option for KD. This stands for Keyword Difficulty. This will allow you to filter keywords based on the difficulty to rank in search engines like Google. Next, you'll see the CPC option. CPC refers to the estimated cost of the keyword if you were to run paid ads. Then, let's explore the Include Keywords option. Here, you can specify some keywords that you definitely want to include in your search results. And then, there are advanced filters. Here, you'll see various filter options such as word count, SERP, etc. If you select the Questions filter on the top right, it will fetch keywords that are in the form of questions. There's also different match options, allowing you to decide whether you want an exact match or a broad one. Finally, the Export button on the right helps you download the queried keyword results. Hope this was interesting.